Hi there, it's Arthur here. In this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about Cloud Token and the private key that very recently has been released for Ethereum cryptocurrency. So now, private keys will only ever come out for your super wallet, because that's your wallet. Whatever is inside of Jarvis is with the company. What you see inside of Jarvis is a visual representation, but you've actually sent your funds so that they can trade with them. That's how it works inside of Cloud Token. Now, going back to Super Wallet, in order for me to access the private key, I have to click on the Ethereum cryptocurrency, just so that you know what's actually going on. So what you see, the screen that you see on the left-hand side, this one here, that's my phone. So I'm actually using an iPhone and a Windows laptop. So as you can see, yeah, it's the same phone. So I'm gonna click on Ethereum. This is a brand new demo Cloud Token account. So normally I would have never displayed the private key. In case you wonder what the private key actually is, that's your money, that's your crypto. With a private key, you have the right to actually send your funds to another wallet. It's the private key that is the money. The private key confirms that you are the owner of a particular cryptographic asset. If you do not have private key for it, you're not the owner. If someone else has it, they have the right to control the money. They are controlling the money. That's why private keys are so important. Now, you have to record them very carefully. And do not do this on your laptop or anywhere else. If something happens to it, to your laptop, to your phone, whatever, you've lost it. You're not controlling your assets anymore. I have all my keys, this sort of sensitive information on here. Try to have 2 copies if you can. Have them in different places. They have to be offline. And just stored privately. Now, this helps me sharing information between my iPhone and Windows, so I have to have that. Now, I also have 2 other wallets that I need for this demonstration. I've got my crypto wallet and I also have Exodus wallet. I've topped up a little bit again. This is a demo account that I'm just using for this demonstration. The amount is completely irrelevant. Now, so I'm gonna now click on my phone inside of the Cloud Token application. This is the only thing that I will actually do inside of the Cloud Token. I will just copy the private key. I will not touch my Cloud wallet. You will see that I will not be touching it at all. And that's the key to this presentation. So I'm going to click on the export private key. Now, despite the message, it says only advanced users. So here is the thing. If you are brand new, you can make a mistake of taking a screenshot of it, saving it somewhere inside your phone or laptop, etc. That's why they say for advanced users. If you do it right, then you're going to be safe. Doing it right is basically writing it down on a piece of paper and storing it multiple copies so you can recover that, and not sharing it with others. That's the key. So I'm going to click on confirm. Then I'll punch in my payment PIN and then my Google Authenticator code. That's this account. And proceed. And this is my private key. Again, I'm only sharing it and I will only show it on your screen because I want you to see it. You can see it all, you can track the numbers. I'm actually going to copy it and then I'm going to open up and paste it so that I've got it here on my laptop as well. There it is. You can see the whole number. So you could now access my Cloud Token account. By the time you're seeing this, there's no more money in it, so don't worry about it. Don't waste your time. I'm going to copy it now. Now, look what's going on. I'm going to open up my crypto and let's go back to Cloud Token so that you can see balances. So you can see the balance of Ethereum, which is 0. Now, I'm going to open up. So that's my crypto. It's a wallet that's just another company. Another company has created this particular wallet. it allows me to use my private key in order to access my funds. So I'm going to access this wallet with the private key that I've copied from Cloud Token. Let me just, so that you see again that I'm actually copying. Control C, and I would do Control V here. And you'll be able to compare the numbers. So there you go. This is actually wallet address. The private key is elsewhere, but I will show you the wallet address as well in a second. So this is the wallet address. So what I'm going to do now, I want to fund this wallet. So I'm going to copy the address. And then I'm going to paste the... So this account, this exit, this is now going to send cryptocurrency into this wallet. Again, you see that I'm not touching Cloud Token at all. I'm not doing anything in there. So I'm going to send $20 into my crypto wallet. Let's go with that. So that's the sending address. Again, you can confirm that. So it starts with OXB226, OXB226, ends with 423FA. You can pause the video and compare the numbers. It's the same. Now, let's transfer $21. Actually 20, just so that this is simple. $20. Of course, there's going to be a network fee, as you can see. So the money that's going to get to this account is going to be a little bit less. So I'm going to now send it. Success. Your Ethereum has been sent. Sent a few seconds ago. As you can see, I've only topped it up a few hours ago. So I'm now going to refresh. There you go. And 0.0911, it's rounding up. These are the numbers that it's displaying. Transaction fee, we can also track it on the blockchain, so you will see the amount exactly. So you can see the amount that is inside of that wallet. The my cryptos is rounding up. That's why you don't have the exact figure. So now, a more interesting thing though is what's inside of the Cloud Token now. As you can see, I have not copied the address from Cloud Token at all. You haven't seen me copying anything else, anything other than the private key. When I click on Ethereum, look at the balance. 0.09105313. What was the TX? 0.09105313. How did it happen? Because with a private key from Cloud Token, I was able to access another wallet, put the private key in there, and access that address, and access that wallet, and send the money to that wallet. The wallet does not hold the funds. The funds are with the private key. They come together. So I'm able to deposit, I'm able to withdraw funds from, some people would say Cloud Token. The money is not there. Wallet is just a representation of what's actually happening on a blockchain. It's just an easy way of sending and transferring funds, recording your transactions data on a blockchain without accessing the blockchain itself. This is just an aid. This is just like your email, your Outlook, your Google Mail. People used to do it differently, but now we've got a much easier way of doing these things. So again, you've got nearly $20. Some of it went towards the fees. Now, without touching Cloud Token wallet, I haven't done anything in there, as you've seen. I'm gonna now send the funds back. So I've got the funds inside of this crypto, inside of my crypto account. I'm gonna send them to another address. I'm gonna send them back just so that it's easy. So this wallet is gonna receive, because I'm sending it from my crypto and I'm sending them to Exodus. So this wallet is just their name. You're sending and you're receiving. So this is that's this wallet's address. So I'm gonna copy this address, and just so that you see that nothing is happening inside of a Cloud Token, I'm gonna paste it here. So it ends with F08C5, F08C5. So I'm sending it to, again, to Exodus, and the amount, everything goes back. I'm gonna make it fast so that the fee is gonna be a little bit bigger, but I want to send it straight away so that it does that sometimes. Ah, the amount is too big because of the fee. Oh, there you go, it's fine now. Yeah, that's what wasn't working. You've got to, some wallets add the fee on top, some wallets deduct it from whatever you're sending. That's why it just wouldn't have it. So that's what we're gonna send. 0.0907, of course, there's gonna be a fee, which is $0.05. So I'm gonna send it now. Send. Again, I haven't touched Cloud Token wallet. Apart from me copying the private key from it, I haven't touched it. My crypto is a little bit slow, but as you can see, that's done. That's been broadcasted. That's been recorded. This has now been recorded on the Ethereum's blockchain. So what's the balance here? Barely anything. Now, there you go. And that's been received. Now 0.0907. We can check that on a blockchain if you wanted to. But I think by now you know that how it works. Now, let's see what's going on inside of Cloud Token. Right now, it's still showing the balance. That's because Cloud Token is not automatically refreshing. I have to actually click on Ethereum. Check the balance at the very top. 0.001. What's the balance here? Because that's the same private key inside of my crypto and inside of Cloud Token. 0.0001. 0.0001. These numbers are the same. Look at the address. If I want to receive my funds into the Cloud Token, check the address. 0xb226, 0xb226, and it ends with 08423FA. 08423FA. It's the same wallet, guys. So it's the same address. That's because it accesses that part of the blockchain. It's the private key that created a public key, and then a public key that has created the address. So if you have that private key, you own the money. You don't have to even be accessing Cloud Token in order to deposit money into Cloud Token wallet and withdraw money from the Cloud Token wallet. And you're gonna be, if you have your private key, you can do it through my crypto or any other application, any other wallet that allows you to, by using your private key, actually have that visual representation, have access to a particular fund. If they have that function where you can import your private key and open up that particular wallet for that particular cryptocurrency, you can also do it here. So guys, as you have seen, if anybody is saying that you have no control of your money, yes you do. You can do it right now. We have it for Ethereum specifically. At a later date, we'll also see other cryptocurrencies that will also have private keys, and then we'll be able to control our funds without even touching the wallet itself. I hope it helps, and until the next time, take care. Bye bye.